Hey guys, hi and welcome back. It's your girl Sylvia Uzo here. From the title, I believe you must have seen what we're going to talk about in today's video, and that is how to smell nice. Firstly, when you smell really nice, you're more attractive. It's easier for people to come close to you, like you better, do things for you without asking, or even hug you. Have you been in a situation where you want to come close to someone, but that stench doesn't let you? And how can you build a good smell? Smell overall comes from the daily practices, the good habit, which is one, drinking enough water. You can improve the way you smell by drinking enough water. Water is actually underrated, but it does a lot of things. When you drink water as a lady or as a human being, it helps balance your pH level. It clears a lot of things that you may not even know, and it helps to freshen up your breath. For example, when you eat strong foods that have odor or smell, for example, garlic or onion, and you drink water, it helps to flush it down. That way you can pee it out as fast as possible and come back to smelling good again. The second way you can also smell good, still speaking on hygiene, is to brush your mouth 2 times daily. Brush your mouth in the morning and at night. You can chew gum to keep your mouth fresh and not dry. The third way you can smell good or improve your smell is to shower properly. Take your time. When you get to the bathroom, don't be in a hurry to come out. There are areas you have to wash. Make sure that you smell good. Wash your armpits, the back of your ear, inside your ear, but just make sure that you pay attention to those inner areas in your body, like your armpit, here, your butt. Wash your butt properly. And for the ladies, you can't fix nails, long nails, and just carry them about. I'm sorry I have to say this in open air, but if you have long nails, try to use your nails to wash inside your coochie. It helps you take out the particles that you would have been waiting for water or to go out naturally. I'm sorry if it comes out off for some of you, but that's a tip that you may want to know and incorporate in your shower routine. Take your time to wash the areas of your body. Now you may decide to shower either 2 times or once a day, depending on your body type and the activities that you did on a particular day. So if on a particular day you were involved in physical activity that made you sweat, it's advisable to have your shower twice on that day. But if you're just having a chill day, you didn't do much, you didn't even have your bath early, it's okay if you have your bath once, as long as you're not sweating. But once you start sweating and your body is sticky, you need to go wash it out. You need to go have your bath and freshen up. Like I said before, smelling nice is a habit. It's not something that comes because you use colognes. It's not something that comes because you use perfume one time. It's a practice. For example, when you wake up in the morning and there's no cologne on your body, how do you smell? That's how you know your body smell. Is it a good smell? Is it offensive? Is it something you may want to start building healthy practices, doing more things that will make you smell nice as a person? The next point would be to wash your hair properly. If your hair is smelling, you will know as a lady. Once you can perceive that your hair is smelling, it's either you air it. If it's braids, you air it, allow air to come into it. And then when you're spraying your perfumes or whatever, you could just spray by the corner of your ear, behind your neck, just to make sure that it covers your hair and it doesn't bring out the smell so much from your hair. And if your hair is going bad, you don't have to wait for it to get to a month completely before you take it out. If you look at the texture of your hair and you know that probably you have dandruff, there's so much oil, the hair is beginning to itch you and all of that, it doesn't have to get to a month, 2, or even longer than that for you to take it out. Once your hair is bad, looking bad, smelling bad, sticky and all that, it's better to take it out. You may not be ready to get a new one immediately, but it's better you have your hair all natural or even in cornrows and it's neat than you have braids on or you have your wigs on, but underneath your hair, like your scalp smells, is really bad. All these things are big turn-offs. People may not tell you that you smell bad just because they don't want to piss you off or make you feel bad. But when someone comes in contact with you and they perceive your smell, it would play a role in them deciding if they want to continue the friendship or continue to see you, or how often they see you. If you're a person here and you have never for once gotten a compliment, you smell nice, what do you use, what's the name of the perfume and all of that, I'm here to save the day for you. This is actually a bonus tip, and that is why we have this bag here. I know a lot of you have been wondering what is in this bag. This is where the whole tea is. Now, how to make your colognes last longer. I will advise that when you use your shower products, depending on what you use, do not dry your body so much when you come out. The cream or the lotion that you use on your body would actually be more effective on a moist skin than a dry skin. So when you come out of the bathroom, you use your towel to pat your body, not dry. You pat. That way it still leaves some moisture in your skin. You pat, and after that you can start using your cream. I don't use cream personally. I would advise you use oils because I prefer oil to lotion. But whatever you decide to do, as long as the scent is what you like and it's okay with you, it's fine. So how to make your cologne last longer? When you're out of the shower and you're done patting your body and you use your cream, your lotion or your oil, this is the time for you to put your cologne or perfume. You don't put it after you've worn your clothes. Okay, now before you start using your perfume or cologne, don't forget that you have to use a deodorant for your armpit. Either a deodorant or an antiperspirant. You use that for your armpit, and make sure that you don't keep hairs. All these things build smell. Make sure you don't keep hairs under your armpit. If you see anyone there, go as fast as you can to take it out. Let me tell you, smelling nice is not even about the perfume you use. You don't have to necessarily use a designer's perfume before you smell nice. It depends on your tricks. So these are the areas you can put your cologne or perfume to smell nice. Here, you put your perfume behind your ear. You put here, spray your perfume here. These areas that I'm showing you are called pulse areas. You put your perfume here, you put here, and on your wrist. You put underneath your leg and at your back. Like I said, put at the back of your ear, here, your wrist, the back of your leg. Put your perfume there. These 5 areas are the areas you're supposed to put perfume in order for it to last longer. Now that we have talked about everything on how to smell good, let's now talk about perfumes that can actually make you smell and feel good on a budget. And that's like your first statement without having to say anything, the way you smell. So now I'm going to show you a few perfumes. These are all perfumes in here, and I'm filming today's video in collaboration with Gracys Signature. If you're in Owerri or anywhere across Nigeria or the world that you're in, I believe she can work out something for you. But this is basically for Owerri and Nigeria. Anywhere across this country, she can get it across to you. Now let's talk about the fragrances in here. I have used a few of them. She has them in big and smaller sizes. You won't believe that this perfume is about 3,000 naira. I have used this perfume. This is a lifesaver. When I first found this perfume, it was the small one. I first used this one, and when I got it in Umuahia from a supermarket, I got it for 1,000 naira. This is the packaging. This is what it looks like. High quality. No one is going to know the price of this, else you tell them. Let's get into the smell. Wow, so divine, so soft. Smells really good. I can't even lie, because everything here is very affordable and they smell nice. Can't get over it. It smells so good. Really, perfumes are so sexy. So now this is the small size and this is the bigger size of this perfume with their prices. They even do combos where you have like 1 or 2 or 3 or more fragrances, and everything goes for like 5,000 naira, 6,500, and all of that. These ones are really nice. I haven't used any of this before. Let's see what it looks like and what it smells like. This smells good too. Like everything here. And I don't know, I think this is one of her. This is called the Cool Girl. I think it's one of the products she uses for combo or something. I don't know if she sells it as a single, but it smells really nice. It's so feminine, ladies. You don't have to break a bank to smell good. After I'm done making today's video and I come across you or you pass me with a stench, I'll call you out. Because you will not say now that I have not done anything for you. I'm giving you free tips who you can even go to directly without having to walk up and down. You just send them a DM and you get what you want. You can buy perfumes for as low as 1.5 here. The name of this is really nice, and I think this one is less than 7,000 naira. I can't open it because it's sealed, but it looks really nice. Thinking of you. Okay, let's get to the next one. This is Aventus Blue for him. So this is for men. It's not like we're leaving the men out. This is for men. I don't know how much this is, but let's look at the packaging. So imagine you open this or you get this as a gift for your man for his birthday with probably any other gift, or this alone and you wrap it. It's worth it. It's worth it. Don't break a bank to smell good or to feel nice. This is Tom Ford. I think we can open this one. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Just look at it. It's so clear. Yeah. This should be for men. It's strong. It's for men, I believe so. But a lady can use it. Depends on ladies prefer stronger scents to soft scents. But this is for men. This is another one. Like guys, we have a lot of things for you to check out here. This is Oud Touch or Touch. I don't know what you want to call it, but I call it Oud. So if I'm wrong, you may likely correct me. Guys, look at this. This is sophisticated. I don't know what you want to say. And it's pocket friendly. Do you even leave your house with perfumes as a lady or as a person? Now I'm referring to ladies because we usually carry purses. But do you leave your house with perfumes? If you don't, you should from today. Guys, let's perceive this. I don't need to spray them but this is strong. Ooh, it's strong, really strong. Yeah, really strong. I'm more of a soft kind of strong smell lady when it comes to perfumes. Strong but not so harsh. This is strong. If you want to get just one, I won't advise getting one perfume. I like to pair my perfumes. But if you just want to get one, this would do because it's strong and it would last. I've already perceived it. But if you want to pair your scent, you can also get this or double scent. I prefer to get more than one perfume so that I can pair it and do my thing. That way, you can't just tell she's using, for instance, Choco Musk. You can't tell that because it's paired. You may have a slight idea, oh, is that it? Is that it? But you can't just say that's what it is. Now look at this one. Like all the perfumes here are amazing. Guys, look at the packaging. Look at the packaging. When you get this perfume and you tell someone you got it for something higher, which I don't advise you do, but they would most likely believe you because of the packaging. Let's look at the packaging of this perfumes before we even get, oh my god, before we get into the way it smells. This is really nice. This reminds me of this vodka. Oh, Magic Moment chocolate. This reminds me of Magic Moment chocolate. It's so nice. It's so nice, ladies. So we are going to wrap up this video. If you need these perfumes, I'll leave her handle on the screen. You will see it right now. Hit them up. Tell them whatever scent you want. If you don't even know the name of what you want, you can tell them your budget and they work with that and get it available for you. After this video, there is no reason for you to smell bad. There is absolutely no reason for you to smell bad because you don't need to break a bank to smell good. You can find scents in your local supermarket, even if you don't want to shop from here. You can find scents in your local supermarket that cost very low You won't even believe them. I've used perfumes of 750 oil perfumes. You just put them in the right places, they even last longer. I prefer anything that has to do with oil, because once your body has that oil, every other thing would stick. That's why I use the body butter, or advise you use body oil as opposed to body cream. But whatever you're using, it's fine. Just do the right things and get the desired scent or smell that you want, which is most likely to smell nice and give off sexy, attractive, feminine energy. So guys, we have finally come to the end of today's video. If this video is something you truly enjoyed or you learned a thing or two from this video, kindly like this video, leave me a comment, as it helps me and I'll know what you think. Let's make it more catchy in the comment section. It doesn't hurt. This is something that we all come across. As a lady, this is important to you. As a man, this is important to you. Myself speaking, I am learning and getting used to other products. Like some of the perfumes here, I haven't seen them before. I have used a few of them, but I haven't seen a lot of them before. So without making this video so long, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, share this video with someone, your mom, anyone. Get the people in your lives perfumes today. Give perfumes as gifts for no just cause. It doesn't have to be a reason. Just give perfumes. It's the easiest, sweetest, and one of the most appreciated gifts you can give to someone. Okay guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.